our take on stuffed cob with goulash. Hi, welcome to my kitchen, living and fit. Today we are doing stuffed keto sourdough with goulash and Hungarian salami. So first off, we're going to brush our keto sourdough cob loaf with some olive oil and garlic, and then put it in the oven for 10 minutes at 200 degrees. Then we will char grill the salami, and we don't use oil as the salami has lots of oils and it will come out as we grill it. And then next to that, we are going to add leftover goulash. This is a perfect dish to do with leftovers, generally with soup leftovers. But we love doing it with goulash, and what makes it special is we flame torch the salami while we're cooking it. Then we add the goulash. So let's get cracking. Alright, now I'm going to start brushing our garlic and olive oil on our hollowed out cob loaf. Now, we hollow it out with a fork, but also, quick tip, don't hollow it out too much. Otherwise, the goulash will spill out of the cob, or whatever you're putting in the cob. Start grilling. And remember, if it's not flame, it's not MTK. Okay, so the cob's in the oven and the salami is nice and charred, so it's time to put the goulash in. Let it cook for a couple of minutes and that's it. Now the cob has finished toasting in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now it's time for the best part, the serving. Now Dad has put goulash with all the beautiful ingredients. That was a challenge to get it all in there. Now it's time to eat. Pop some sour cream on top. Look at this. Now, it's time to devour. Time to eat. We gotta make this.